Cari crew. What's going on, man? I don't know why I took that pause. But what's going on, man? It's gonna be a quick little short video for y'all today, man. I just thought of this off the top of my head. You know what I'm saying? And I need to be consistent. And I couldn't, I just wanted to make a video, man. It felt like I've been gone too long, even though it ain't been that long, but you know what I'm saying? I gotta keep it up, man. On the road to 10K. Get your boy to 10K the quick way. As you can see, we in sport mode. You know what I'm saying? We in sport mode with it. And today, man, if you read by the title, I will be cutting up in a rich neighborhood, you know what I'm saying? Not really cutting up like going crazy, just making noise, being a little ignorant, you know what I'm saying? Being a little ignorant, just a little bit. In sport mode, by the way, so it's really gonna be, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna peep a few houses too, man. This is like neighborhood, man. It's all thumbnail, man. I know y'all hear that, man. Get Olivia to pop. Down shit, crazy car crew. But yeah, man, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, man. On the road to 10K, get your boy to 10K the quick way. Man, what do y'all going on back here? It's a little nice house, a car crew. What y'all think, man? You know what's so crazy? It's like everybody want a crib, but at a certain age, we won't think about all that. If that makes sense. Like, you don't think about it right there. Bruh, that downshift is crazy. That echo is crazy. I want to go down there, but let me see what's going on over here. But they done built a lot. I think I gotta turn around. Like I said, I know I gotta turn around. What y'all think, car crew? I have to get in the dirt and do some donut. Y'all give me 2,000 likes on this video. I'll do some donuts in the dirt. Nah, I'll take that back. It gotta be more than that. Hell nah. Y'all gotta give me 5K likes, boy. To do donuts and live in the dirt. Crazy. Crazy hell, boy. That's I don't know what that is. That don't even make sense. I can get up out of there. I wasn't even trying to get sideways, but I did. You know what I'm saying? What y'all think about those downshifts in sport, man? Y'all comment down below what's y'all favorite mode for people that got a scat. Track mode or sport mode, you know what I'm saying? Which one y'all think better? Obviously, people gonna say track, it's supposed to be the highest, whatever, but it all depends on the driving, how I feel. The track mode, you know what I'm saying, it's cool, but sport, bro, like for highway riding or just like, you know what I'm saying, on the highway top in and out, sport, and just like kind of daily driving too, bro, I think sport is more, you know I can get Olivia to pop, man. Look at the sun, bro. The sun look crazy on the camera. Bro, that upshift, like, do y'all hear that? I hope y'all can hear that on camera, bro. Like, in person, bro, it don't do no justice. I mean, I'm retarded. On the camera, it don't do no justice, but in person, bro, that jacket is crazy. Like, just listen. That one that loud, but the other ones though. Other ones are even better. Try to pee the neighborhood though, man. Neighborhood got some nice little crib there. I know the Hellcat pop, you gotta be like in 3,500. It's hard to make Scat do that. The signal. Man, that, bro, you hear it off the houses, bro. That's done crazy. I got a big ass freak. Basketball goal. I was a dunk on Airline one. I got a ball in the car too. Now, you know you're in a rich neighborhood. Every 3 goals on the same street, all on NBA. Come on, man. Ooh, I heard the burbles. Okay, Pete the Hemi. Car, I ain't talking too much. Just, I don't know, man. Being different. I wanna, y'all comment down below too. Y'all want me doing in the hood, bro. I was thinking about everybody kind of, do that. But I don't really see too many people going through a rich neighborhood or a sedity neighborhood. You know what I'm saying? And making all that noise. I love that, bro. Olivia started spinning, but that just still be spinning. Well, that bitch sounds so good. Come on, man. And there ain't no throttle. There ain't no flooring and nothing. Nigga just know it car. Talk to me. Car crew. Y'all know how that go. You know what I'm saying? Get y'all one little exit before I leave. Ooh, I wasn't even looking at the camera then. I was working that bit. Look at that guy. He got headphones on. boy. Boy, the fuck. Boy, y'all heard that? That nigga just, I don't know, he skirted. I don't know what he just did. He just scared me though. Let me get the hell on. I don't like that. Oh, that nigga all in that. Hold on, boy. Look at him. That ain't y'all can't see his ass. He back there though. He back there. Ooh, to go 12. Just in time. Just in time. What the hell? That's a Maserati truck sounding like that. Or a Jaguar truck. Who that is? Car, can I get y'all one more pull, man? That was on slight though. But, car crew, man. Not gonna be a wrap for this video. You know what I'm saying? Most of the video I try to keep short and sweet. I ain't gonna talk too much, but make sure, like I say, man, y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. On the road to 10K, get your boy to 10K the quick way, man. Like I said in my videos, you got a goal you trying to achieve, any kind of accolade, any kind of milestone, do that milestone, do that goal, man. Sky's the limit, you can touch it. All my religious folk, stay prayed up, keep God first, keep him in the mix, man. You know what I'm saying? Tell them thank you for everything you got, and don't always just use them. You know what I'm saying? When you think when you're in trouble, you feel me? Don't call them when you're just in trouble, man. Call on them all the time, man. You know what I'm saying? Damn, I need to change my brake car. I can feel it. Goodness, boy. It's long overdue. Long overdue. Especially that right one. But yeah, car crew, man. Like I also say, man, at the end of my video, man, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.